Hey, this is Jeff, and today we're going to open up Excel and play around with it and show you some things, some beginner things. This is the first video in a series of introductory Excel videos. Microsoft Excel has an icon down here for me. I'm just going to click and open this up. And we're going to go to a new workbook right here. And as you can see, this is the overall layout of Excel. So Microsoft Excel it's a common tool within the Microsoft Office suite, and really anybody can use this tool. You can be a business professional. You can be just someone at home trying to manage your budget, and there'll be later videos that I post to show you how to manage a budget using Excel. So in this first video, we're going to get to the basics. We just opened the program. We opened a new workbook. And we're going to go over how to enter information in each cell. To start things off, we're going to look at cell A1 here at the top left. And we're just going to double click in that cell. You can either double click in the cell or you can click up here in this formula bar. So we're going to double click in the cell, and we're just going to type the number 1. Super simple task here. And then we're going to go down here. We're going to double click in here. We're going to type the number 2. And now if you want to just highlight the cell, you can also just type in 3 and type in 4, and it'll automatically enter to the next cell. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we enter 10 numbers here. If you are interested in finding out the sum of these numbers, there is a couple different things that you can do. You can highlight all the cells, and at the bottom here it'll tell you. So the sum of 1 through 10 is 55. It also tells you the average, which would be 5.5, and then it tells you the count. So the count would be how many basically cells you have information typed into them, and that count can be letters. Let's see. So you don't get a sum of letters, of course, but down here at the bottom, you'll see you got a count of 3. Another way of getting the sum of numbers is you can enter a formula. So you can go up here. You've got A11 highlighted. You go up here, type in equal sign, and then you type in sum, and then you click tab, and there you go. It actually tells you exactly what you need to do. So you're going to highlight the numbers that you're going to sum up. So we're going to highlight A1 through A10, and then we're going to hit enter, close the parentheses, hit enter. There it is, 55. And that number 55 matches that sum at the bottom as well. Say you want to color code the cells. Say you have say you're doing a budget and you have different expenses. So you've got bills, food, entertainment. Bills, food, Notice one thing here, it's autofilling. If I already have information typed into another cell, it'll autofill and do a predictive text. Bills, food, entertainment, bills. Okay, well, my bills they're red. They're always red. So let's do red for bills. We're just going up here, and we're just clicking this paint bucket. We're going to fill the cell. We're finding the red. We're going to fill the cell. So that's what bills are. Food is going to be green for me because I love food. And I'm just clicking on the green. I found the color and it stays up there. So now entertainment's going to be, let's go with yellow. So I found the color yellow, and now it stays yellow, so I can go back up. There we go. So now we've color coded the cells. We can kind of distinguish what's what a little bit easier, especially when you have a lot of data entered in. And that's it for the first video. I just want to keep it short and sweet. The next video we'll go into a little more detail on a few other things that you can do. And then as we progress further, it'll get a lot more complicated, and eventually we'll learn how to create pivot tables and connect different worksheets As you see down at the bottom here, we have sheet 1. You can add multiple sheets, you know, and you can connect them all together. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching.